to Minnie Mouse cash register. Today I'm gonna open it with you. It has a scanner and it has a cash register and with lots of buttons. It even makes sounds like this.
I love shopping with you. Hi there, it's me, Minnie Mouse.
It has a credit card and it has coins with plastic monies. And it even has a drawer. Let's open it. Oh, here comes the last one out. It's all out. Now let's start billing. The bill. Cool. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna play now. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.